Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 9 amazing WordPress plugins you can use for your WordPress website to give you an easyability of workflow within your WordPress website. Looking at the first WordPress plugin, we are looking at Monster Insight. It looks like this, as you can see. With this tool, you can easily get an analytics of how your visitors visit your site, to easily see a graph that looks like this, to understand the traffic flow of your website. If I come here based on the images, as you can see here from this bottom end, you are going to see that with this tool, you can easily see an overview report of your pages visits based on traffic. The next image will also show you that it is very possible to see the various countries where your visitors are coming from. Also, with this tool, you can easily see the traffic view count of the various URL or pages of your website. And for individuals having an e-commerce website, it is easy to also see reports based on your conversion rate, the transaction being taken place inside of the dashboard, the revenue, as well as the average order value. It has result to show you like this, as you can see here. This tool also have a search console report to give you a report based on clicks, impression, the CTRO, as well as the average position of given keyword which you want to target inside of your website. Looking at these amazing features of Monster Insight, it is one of a must-have WordPress plugins you should use for your website. The next amazing WordPress plugin in my list is a plugin called Control Admin Access. With this plugin called Control Admin Access, it is easy for you to give a temporary limited admin access to team designers, plugins developers, as well as support agents. This tool is very important, especially for those of you who are running site where you want to add some agent support onto your site and you want to give them limited access to some pages. As an example here, you can see you can add new administrator to your site by inviting them with email, as well as generating their password to share with them to give you an assistant on your website. You can see also based on this image, it is very easy for you to add admin here, and it is easy for you to also disable any admin access to your website at any time. You can also create admin menu filter, as well as disabling access to some of the admins which you have invited at any time which you like. Looking at the next WordPress plugin, we are going to be sharing 2 of these plugins, which is an ad inserter. Let's assume that your website has been accepted for ad and you want to insert some line of code within your website to display ad. The first WordPress plugin for ad display will be called InFit Ad for Google AdSense. You can see with this ad plugin, it is easy for you to display or to insert code inside of your website to display ad, as you can see here. It is easy to place the code, and once the code has been placed, ad will be easily displayed within your website, either in feed article ad or at the top section of your website. The next ad inserter is called Ad Inserter, Ad Manage, and AdSend Ad. This is the title of it, and you can see that also with this particular plugin, it is easy to insert code within your website that is going to display ad. You are going to see a dashboard that looks like this once installed, and of course, you can see that based on the displayed screen here, this is an example of ad within an article, and also you can see examples of ads being displayed here once we insert some line of code using the ad inserter. The next WordPress plugin is a plugin called WP Statistics. Looking at WP Statistics, as you can see here, WP Statistics will give you an overview of the stats of your website, as well as the traffic flow and country from where the traffic is coming from. Looking at this display result, you're going to see an image that looks like this once installed, and you can easily see analytics of traffic inside of your site, as well as the country from where the traffic is coming from, inside of this tool. Looking at the next WordPress plugin is a plugin called Add to Any. Looking at Add to Any share button, it looks like this. This is the title or the name. If you come inside and once installed, you can easily display it, share button or social media button within your site based on article for it to be easily shared at any position of your website. Looking at some displayed images, as you can see here, these are some of the images. You can insert float button like this inside of your site, and you can see that you can also add email within it, as well as other social media platforms. You can use these settings inside here and choose how you want it to be displayed based on large, small, custom. And you can also choose if you want a floating button to be displayed on your site. The next share plugin is called Social Media Share Button and Social Sharing Icon. It looks like this based on its logo, and also with this particular plugin, you can also use to display share button within your site, which will be easy for users to share your content within your website. You can see that you can also display float button within it on your site, and people can easily share them based on what particular sharing button you use to display on your site. The next WordPress plugin is a plugin which is a call plugin, and it is called Call Now button, and they have titled it the #1 click to call button for WordPress. It looks like this based on the logo, and you can see that with this plugin you can display call button inside of your site. And once it is being navigated to, you can see how it looks like, especially on mobile device like this. Call us now being displayed on mobile device, and it is very easy for users to locate the call button and easily take action by pressing the call button. And of course, this is good once you use it on your site for mobile display like this. The next plugin is a plugin called Admin Column, and with this particular plugin, it is very easy for you to manage and organize column in the post, users, comments, and media list in WordPress admin panel. You can also transform your WordPress admin screen into beautiful and clear overview. Looking at the display images here, if I come here based on the display images here, you can see how it is in action. It is easy for you to create admin column and making your view to be very easy to navigate based on this result, as you can see here. And with this tool, it is easy to manage some display within your WordPress dashboard. And these are some 9 amazing WordPress plugins you can use on your WordPress website. I will also be creating another episode of some of the best plugins you can use for your WordPress website. You want to make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated to upcoming videos like this. And see you again in the next episode. Bye-bye.